Hey everybody, this is Sully, and I got something in the mail, and I'm supposed to review it, but unfortunately it is a FRSKY version and not a FlySky, and since I only have a FlySky transmitter, I cannot review it. And for some reason, that's okay. I'm actually very happy that happened. I emailed Banggood to tell them that the Mobula 7 FRSKY standard version they gave me, right there, is FRSKY and not FlySky, and I need FlySky. And yeah, so I asked them if I could do a giveaway, and they said yes. And they're coming back with the requirements. I have to use Gleam and something else, but like and subscribe down below. Stay tuned. I should be getting those instructions in a couple of hours. And we're back. Like and subscribe down below. I should be getting those instructions in a couple of hours, but I just wanted to show you. It's brand new. FRSKY has a nice little, has two batteries, two 250s. The stock charger, which is very good. It comes with a little packet, which I haven't opened, but it has extra props, extra screws, the little jumper so you can fly it on 1S. Two extra batteries. Oh, it comes with four batteries. Four batteries. I did not even see that. So I actually have two extra batteries. So dang, I'm kind of sad I'm giving it up now because this is a fully functional quad for any of you FRSKY users. And yeah, you come with four batteries, should get you about 12 minutes total of flight time if you're flying 1S, or it can give you about 6 minutes if you're flying 2S, and that's cool. Anyway, it's FlySky, it's F3 board, it has custom 4.0 beta flight on it, it's tuned, it is ready to go, it is brand new. Like I say, I haven't even opened it, I just plugged it in and saw it was for Tiniest, and immediately asked Banggood if I could do something for all the people who put up with this ugly mug. So I thank you so much. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe down below, and I'll get you the instructions out as soon as I receive them from Banggood. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Hell yeah.